Hi guys, today I'm gonna collab with Sam5.
Hi.
This is the person that that also lost like one subscriber from
Subbotting, and we're never gonna do.
Yeah, we're
And
never
before he uploaded that, I mistakenly subbot. I'm just gonna try to get it off me. Just do not subbot. We are stupid for subbotting, but this is not a video about subbotting. Let's restart. Emma, restart.
let's just restart the video. Okay. Nestle Crunch used to be like a famous meme.
Yeah, no, you mean popular meme, so it stopped.
Yeah.
It stopped. Plus, we're not gonna.
I saw something cringe. Look.
What the hell? What the hell is it?
Wait. Bro, what is this?
Bro, this 1984 ad still has to scare some children.
Like this?
Yeah. That's why I kissed. I'm a gay person.
What was that?
I love being gay.
That's why I love
Being gay.
Nice. That's why I love Nestle Crunch. Yeah!
Bruh.
That's why I
What
love.
does that mean anymore?
Probably the 50s people.
No, they don't. No, 50-year-old people don't even want. 50-year-old people don't even don't even watch that meme that much.
Okay.
Nestle Crunch.
Bruh, imagine this was part of the commercial. Like,
I imagine Punch. I imagine this. I imagine me disappearing in this video.
Okay.
Crunches, when it crunches. That's why I love Nestle Crunch. That's why I love
Being
gay.
Yeah. Whoever uses that like
They're always.
yeah.
People use that like in 2015 or 2014.
Yeah, and whoever uses that might be a goat lover or an animal lover, like the vegan teacher.
Vegan teacher is bullshit. Is a piece of crap.
Okay.
I love Nestle Crunch. Hey!
Bruh.
That's why I
Bro, why did the owl say that?
Nestle Crunch. Crunches, when it crunches. That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
That was me. Okay, guys, thanks you for watching this video.
Probably
And-
you should edit more and be like me and edit your actual videos and do not subbot. Plus, this video is about subbotting. It's about having a stupid reaction of a creepy kid that loves Nestle Crunch.
Okay, now like and subscribe, and also subscribe to Sam5. Now, goodbye, friends.